Hi everyone, I am Anju and welcome to my channel Excel Made Easy. Here you will learn Excel in the simplest and most practical way, from basic features to advanced functions and real-world tricks. Let's master Excel together.
In this video, we will be learning conditional formatting to highlight distinct cells in our data. So I am taking an example in this data where the revenue is displayed, and I want to highlight top 5 revenues generated in this data. For that, we must first select the data, because whenever you want to apply any kind of formatting, the data must be selected. So starting from the first element till the end by using Control Shift down arrow, I have selected the entire data. Now from the home tab, we can notice conditional formatting option is there, and there are various conditional formattings that can be applied to the selected data. But right now, let's say my requirement is highlighting top 5 revenues from the selected one. So I am going to top bottom rules, and from there I can select, there is no top 5 items, but there is a top 10 items option. So I select this top 10 options and now change it to 5. So you can take any number as per your need. And by default, there is a formatting coming in, but you might want to give your own formatting. So you can choose from the list which is given over here, or maybe you can go to custom format to give your own specific formatting. So I am just going to fill and then changing it to light green. Okay. So that means top 5 revenues will be highlighted with light green color. So after completing the condition, you can click on OK. And at the back end, you can also notice that the top 5 orders have been highlighted with green color. So you can just move down and see all the top 5 data have been identified. So this can be the requirement for any kind of data where you want to distinctly highlight some specific values. So you must first select the data and then use conditional formatting to highlight it. Let's say that later on my requirement changes to top 3 values, not top 5, but I just wanted to show top 3 revenues. So I am going back to this conditional formatting. This time we will not create a new rule because the rule already exists. We just want to make a change in this. Manage rules is going to help us. So this manage rules will be open. And now you can notice your rule is displayed here. Select the rule and edit. So when you go to the edit, now the edit window is open, and here you can specify the requirement that you would like to select. So this is how, suppose I want to give only top 3 orders, and then we click on OK. The rule is changed. Click on OK, and this time you can notice the rule is changed to only top 3. So this is how you can convert your data into highlighted ones. Wherever you want the focus should go to a specific part of the data, conditional formatting can be applied to it. Later on, suppose the reporting has been done and you want to switch back to the original form. In that case, you can again select the data, and then using conditional formatting, now you can choose the option clear rules. So clear rules from selected cells. So while doing this, the rule that was applied, top 5 rule, has been now removed and your data is back into the original form. So this is how conditional formatting can be done. And the best part was, once you had applied the rule, let me just show you by using Control Z. Let's suppose you had highlighted the top 3 revenue. This is what coming in right now. And in between, one of the value changes. So let's say this amount becomes, say, some higher one. That is, let's say 3 lakhs. So now you will notice immediately that higher value has been highlighted and the previous highlighting is gone. So the data will always show top 3, no matter whatever changes are happening in your data, it will dynamically keep on highlighting the respective values. So that's the beauty of conditional formatting. Otherwise, in a manual format, you will have to change it again and again. The formatting has to be reapplied. Here it's done once, and afterwards, any type of data changes, it keeps on dynamically changing the highlighting.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.